Hi, I'm Yvonne Megan, back again at newly completed multi-modern at District 9 River Valley. Here's a lovely two-bedder. Come experience the unit as it's larger than it looks on photo. But first, let's do a quick recap on this coveted development. Multi-modern is a 99 leasehold 2-tower, 30-story, 450 units residential by award-winning developer Land. Be wowed by this unique architecture, elevated on its sprawling huge 1.6 hectare land and roof gardens, with lush landscaping taking over 80% of the land area. Proud homeowners will be pleased with many nearby amenities around Robertson Quay, only a stone's throw away. Enjoy superior convenience at your doorstep with minutes walk to Great World City and new MRT completing in 2022 connecting to Orchard Road, Marina Bay and Gardens by the Bay. Ever popular River Valley Primary School is less than 300 meters away. This high-floor two-bedder unit spans 764 square feet, perfect size for couples and young families. Look forward to enjoying the same premium finishes and fittings as expected of a luxury apartment. With close to 3-meter high ceilings and an open concept kitchen that visually enlarge the space, you will never feel closed in. Be pleased with the unblocked northeast facing panoramic city view. The foyer has a built-in full-height shoe cabinet with more cabinets blending seamlessly into the dining for more storage. All carpentries, branded appliances and white goods are brand new and part of the sale. Best of all, you get a 1-year defect warranty. While the flooring outside is all natural marble, the bedroom has the coziness of solid timber. The common bedroom has a full-height wardrobe and fits a queen bed, while the larger master bedroom, which fits a king bed, comes with a recessed wardrobe, making the space bigger for other furnishings. Refresh yourself in its immaculate marble-clad ensuite bathroom that comes with premium fittings. Let's do a quick comparison of the neighbouring developments, Rivergate and Martin Place Residence. Comparing to Martin Place Residence two-bedder, the size difference is largely due to its enclosed kitchen and bay windows in bedrooms as well as both the bathroom. Looking at Rivergate two-bedder at 1055 square feet size, similarly, the additional space difference is also largely due to its enclosed kitchen with an additional bomb shelter. Essentially, multi-modern has similar livable space as compared to the other two developments. In terms of rentability, based on latest transactions, multi-modern boasts the highest rental value at 5.7k, while Rivergate and Martin Place Residence had 5.4k and 5.3k respectively. With all being said, this two-bedder at multi-modern has a substantial absolute quantum difference of nearly $500,000 as compared to Rivergate and Martin Place Residence. To conclude, this two-bedder in multi-modern is practically brand new at a reasonable price for a luxury home in coveted District 9. Excited to see this brand new fully furnished unit ready for occupancy? Contact me at 9073-8818 for viewing. See you!